Hey, it's Jackson here. I teach happiness studies at the University of Alabama. Here sharing three of my favorite Zen stories on happiness. This is number two. So, this psychology professor goes to visit a Zen teacher. And he arrives and he says, "Yeah, I'll have a cup of tea." And so the master starts pouring, and soon tea is spilling all over, boiling hot water all over. And the professor says, "Whoa, stop, stop. What are you doing? What are you doing?" And the master looks at me and says, "This is what's happening here. Your cup is already full. So I'm pouring my ideas and this wisdom onto you, but your cup's already full, so it's just spilling over. Before you can learn, you have to empty your cup. You have to unlearn." So this idea, and he goes on to say, wisdom is very easily given. The question is, can you take it? Of course I can give it, but can you take it? So that's this idea. We must empty the cup before we can really learn and grow. That's number two.